Hello, my name's Charles Funk and I'm the CEO of Heliostar Metals. Today, it's my pleasure to announce that Heliostar's put out an updated technical report on our Colorada mine. It's one of three significant reports coming out this quarter, followed by a PEA at Ana Paula and a PFS at Cerro de Gallo. Cumulatively, we think we can demonstrate a lot of value in our portfolio, and that starts with today's results from La Colorada. If you go straight to what it means by the numbers, at a conservative 3-year trailing average gold price of $2,300 an ounce, it's a $66 million NPV, just under 25% IRR. If you go to an upside case, $3,500, still $700 below the spot price today, it's a $243 million NPV and nearly 170% IRR. It's got a very attractive $1,626 all-in sustaining cost. This points to a project that's going to be a lowest quartile cost producer. And if gold prices stay at these levels, a very, very strong cash generator for us as a company. The performance has come on the back of two decisions that we made at the beginning of the year. We've put in just over 16,000 meters of drilling. That's led to a nearly 62,000 ounce resource update. We weren't able to capture all of that in the reserve update. We identified a fault at the Creston pit that meant we had to be a bit more conservative with our pit wall angles. And for those who followed us closely, it's also why we're a few months behind our intended schedule of getting this study out. Regardless, the combination of that extra drilling and changing the sequence at which we mine these pits optimizes a capex of only $45 million that we intend to fund internally to generate over 6 years of mine life, averaging just under 50,000 ounces of gold a year. It's quite amazing the turnaround that La Colorada's had from on care and maintenance when we bought it, now to this future in front of the asset. Further, we've been able to de-risk that to certain degrees. We've received 2 permits that allow us to expand the leach pad with another 2 years of production. And when we receive the permit to expand Veta Madre, will allow us to maximize the cash flow that we can generate from La Colorada prior to a construction decision at Ana Paula. I think on the back of it, there's 3 really upside features of the deposit that we should be thinking about as well. The first is we're going to be working on what we call Veta Madre Plus, the potential for a larger pit that can add another 28,000 ounces to the current study. And we've got drilling about to start that's going to reveal the potential of that. We think at higher gold prices, we might be able to remove some of the conservatism of the pit wall angles at Creston and bring more ounces into that pit design. And lastly, the upside. These resources are open to depth, and there's some really compelling exploration targets outboard of that we look forward to explore. We see a very bright future for La Colorada above and beyond this study. As I touched on at the top, it's the first of 3 big deliverables, so looking forward to following up with the Ana Paula PEA, which is the first view of the economics of Ana Paula as an underground. Looking forward to the PFS at Cerro de Gallo, which we currently treat as historic, and I don't think we're seeing a lot of value for. And lastly, the drill continues to turn at Ana Paula, at San Agustin, and at La Colorada, and we look forward to providing that news flow. This is the first of one of 3 big deliverables, in my opinion, this quarter, and look forward to providing the rest. If you'd like a deeper dive, come to our website, www.heliostarmetals.com, and have a look at the press release. Happy to go through and answer any questions that anyone would like to reach out and ask us. Very proud of what the team's been able to deliver at La Colorada, demonstrating significantly better economics with this study. Thank you very much.